chapter of all Alpha Phi Omega in the Philippines, we should promote good values and be a role model to others as we implement the rules of the national office.
Alpha leadership. We are the Alpha chapter. We have to show how we lead the pack, how we lead our team, and how we lead with transparency and accountability.
We all gather here not just to celebrate, but to band as one. We coexist for a common good, a better future for Alpha Phi Omega.
Here's to Alpha Phi Omega, loyal brothers we, true to self and to each other, firm in loyalty.
I'm proud bilang Alpha Chapter. At wala po ako sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon sa harapan ninyong lahat, kundi dahil hindi ako Alpha. Diba? Hindi po ako nanalo sa eleksyon bilang Brad Kevin D. Nanalo po ako sa eleksyon kundi bilang Alpha Chapter dahil naniniwala po sila sa Alpha Chapter, naniniwala po sila sa pamunuan ng Alpha Chapter.
Hindi lang kasi pag pumasok ang apo, kala mo sarili mo lang. Hindi. Kasi ang dami mong kapatid. Kaya yun, isa yun, i-guide mo na sila at natututo ka sa buhay bilang isang member ng Alpha Phi Omega.
Unity, loyalty, every service for humanity. I leave my time and energy on the wall. Saan mo kami, proud kami, loyal kami, willing kami. Kabilang kami sa handa magsilbi sa isang samahan di mo mapipili.
At this juncture, we are now going to begin the induction ceremonies.
On behalf of the National Executive Council, we are so happy and grateful to have been invited for tonight victory party and induction of officers of Alpha Chapter.
Brothers, sisters, you have been elected to serve as officers of Alpha Phi Omega Alpha Chapter Alumni Association number 112. Your duties and prescribed in your bylaws.
Do you accept this duty? If so, answer I do.
I do. I do.
I do.
Congratulations, brothers.
Ako po yung lubos na natutuwa dahil meron na naman pong mga bagong brads and sis na mauupo at magtataguyod ng aming Alpha Chapter. Ako ay naniniwala sa kakayanan ng bawat isang officer at bawat isang miyembro ng Board of Trustees na magtutulungan upang makamit ang bagong Alpha Chapter po.
Now we raise our grateful voices in our song to thee. True to Alpha Phi Omega, may we always be. May we always be.
Nakakatuwa naman that we were inducted by the national officers headed by our very own chapmate, the new national president, Brother Kevin D, who happens to be my protege and inaanak. Being inducted by my fellow chapmate brings dignity to the position that we are going to assume. And we are promising we will do our utmost to deliver what is expected upon us.
Excited kami sa mga upcoming projects and activities. Dito namin pagsasama-samahin yung aming magagandang ideas. Paano kami mag-work as a team.
Sa lahat ng support nyo sa Alpha Chapter, maraming salamat po. I'm so thankful na naging successful to induction na to. Congratulations sa lahat ng tumulong sa amin, sa lahat ng members and officers ng Alpha Chapter, sa lahat ng dumating ng mga senior brothers and sis. Naging successful siya. And to the national officers, of course, nandyan lagi yung suporta nila. I'm so happy na very successful talaga yung event.
Siyempre, I'm very happy kasi nagkaroon po tayo ng new set of officers na ipagpapatuloy kung ano yung nasimulan or yung mga naging tradition natin sa Alpha Chapter. As a National President of Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated is mag-align po kung ano yung direction natin sa national ay mag-align ng Alpha Chapter and best wishes to Alpha Chapter and mabuhay po ang nag-iisang Alpha at mabuhay ang nag-iisang Alpha Phi Omega.
May we always be.
May we always be.
May we always be. May we always be.
May we always be.
Peace to Alpha Phi Omega, loyal brothers we, true to self and to each other, firm in loyalty, daily working